Welcome to Tani's kitchen. Hello friends, today we're going to make Shrikhand. For that we need hunkered kesar soaked in a milk, powder sugar, chopped almond and pistachio, and cardamom powder. First we'll take a bowl. Then we'll take a hunkered. Let's see how to make hunkered. Let's beat it. Now we'll add some sugar into it. Now mix it. Now mix it. Now let the saffron milk and the cardamom powder. Now our Shrikhand is ready to serve. Now we'll garnish with dry fruits. Dry fruit trend. Try this recipe at home. Give me thousands of likes and subscribe to this video and click the bell button. Bye.